Hello everybody, just a quick update on what we've been up to. Little things more than big things. We're still waiting to get those things that help we were promised with the chainsaw, so we can cut down those posts and start with the roof. But we're doing other kinds of little things. For instance, we're working on the garden. We just made this rake today. Do it yourself. I don't know if you can see that clearly, but you see those are nails stuck through one piece of wood. And when I got them through the amount that I want, big nails, then I just bent them over there to give it that little angle. And then from there, I put this piece and I grooved it out right in here. I put that piece on and I tied it up. If you can see this, this is actually plastic rope. And I made this rope, you can find it anywhere on YouTube, how to make rope out of plastic bottles. And this stuff is very strong. It's very strong. And it's free. And it's very easy to make. And when you finish tying it, as tight as you can get it, then you add a little heat to it, like just a cigarette lighter or something, or match, and just put it around there. And as you melt it, it shrinks and comes even tighter. So you got a really nice tight tie there. And then these pieces here on the side, this was actually one piece that I split in half. That's why you have a nice little even mirror image of them, the way they look here. And I tied this one also with the plastic rope, and this one also with the plastic rope, and this one with the plastic rope just here. And between each one of these joints, I have one small nail. So between all of those fasteners, there should be, it's very strong actually. And the wood was rather wet when I did it, so I might have to put a little more heat on these when the wood dries out, because it will shrink then. And when it shrinks, this might get a little bit loose. But the nail's in there, it's going to keep it secure, and I'll just keep an eye on it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I made my own garden rake. I sat here and I thought about it for about 20 minutes. And I said, got it! And this is an axe handle. We just received this axe head. And this thing is like extremely sharp. It's rusty, but it's still very just on the outside. But man, this thing on here is like a red dogs, like very crisp and chopping down trees and stuff like that. Which we might do if this chainsaw does not show up very soon. Starting this. Other small things we've been working on. This is you guys in the other video. I changed it out because as it turned out, it was a little bit better. And that's the long one called. And the one sitting next to it is pure. And the one very for it, Tina. And they all. And I think here it is. We made a bunch of it. Get about at least 10, depending on how big the bottle is and how thick the rope is. This one is like of an inch thick, but that's really a lot, all you need, unless you're doing like really very strong. It's only vulnerable to fire and someone cutting it, but that's like any rope for that matter. But it's free. You put the bottle there, you can find it. But anyway, I just wanted to give you that update. And walk away, slaves, before you have to run away.